Je vais seulement faire la vidéo. Tu as déjà enlevé la copie? Yeah?
I ordered the party yesterday.
Uh-huh.
The guy went. I ordered the party yesterday. The guy went there.
Mm-hmm.
They already closed. So he going back there this morning. Just
Wow.
there right now.
Tell him just to cancel it because I went there.
Yeah, but these sons are supposed to be changed. That one. That's what I ordered.
That's okay. This is what
So
I
the guy
this
pick
what,
up the sensor?
No, no, tell him to leave it. Don't pick it up.
Hello?
Don't cancel it. Don't pick it up.
No. Listen to me.
Tell him we already pick it up.
Hello?
Tell
Listen to
him
me.
we already pick it
My
up.
electrician guy sent his son already pick up the part. Come back here. I didn't even know he pick up the part. Come back here. Yeah, come. The guy pick up the part already. Tell him we said.
Tell him we already pick it up.
My partner sending his son to pick up the part already. He pick up the part already. Yeah. I didn't know that. You didn't tell me that, my man.
I don't even know. I was working here. He was in home. So
No,
I said,
if it doesn't work there, you check the car. That's what I was telling you.
anyhow, I check it out. I see what the problem inside. The value is the reading of this one here. In the data, it's 270 something, like hot.
Okay.
200 and something degrees. It's supposed to read like 70, 80 degrees.
Oh no, that's
temperature.
too much.
Huh?
That's too much.
So then my son was in what they call in the Honda dealer to pick up a remote. I said, you know what? Because I have this value, let me say, go collect it. I called the guy.
They have only one.
That's what I have. If you go there, you
I
never
have
get it.
only one.
So
Yesterday.
at least we got it.
I ordered it, yeah. Tu sais ce que tu as levé dans l'entreprise qui est coulée? Il
Il n'y a pas d'entreprise.
n'y a pas d'entreprise?
Mais même si... Oh, Shabab. C'est comme... Non, mais peut-être it's a pressure. It's a pressure. Doesn't need it.
No, you need pressure. You need antifreeze there.
Yeah, but do you bleed it?
When you take that out, it's supposed to come out.
Do you bleed it?
No, not bleed it.
Okay, let's start it and see. Let's start it and see. Because it's already reading like 200 something. I want to see how much the reading before.
Okay.
Let me see the part number. And it doesn't even give you any code, like say this something is wrong. So كيف يا شباب؟ عاملين كيف؟ أصبحتوا كيف؟ ناس البيت كيف حالهم؟ ناس الوالدة والجماعة؟ الحمد لله رب العالمين. سوين سكن. ها؟ يا. إيه خليه يجيبوا هنا. لسه الفيكيل على لا صور لا بورتير لا صور. Okay. I'm gonna check now using the small scanner. Paris, open the ignition. I want to see the temperature. Wow. That's the normal temperature. Before was 290 something without the car start. Change the cooling temperature sensor with a new one. The fan was working all time. The cooling temperature reading before the car start, car cool down, room temperature was up. Diagnose. Scan the VIN. You see, you can put the information here. Okay. Malibu. Wow. 2.0. Just consider that how many engine are there, but I just take one. Who have the Nissan? Diagnose, control unit, engine only. Automatic, trouble code, no trouble code. Data life. We're gonna show you 5, 6, 7 parameters. A stop start, not equipped. Cooling system. Remember on that video, the beginning start, you can watch the first video. You see here, engine coolant temperature is 16 Celsius. 16 Celsius. Before it's 200, if you remember on the other video, 200 and something. Now it's 16. Perfect, it's going up, 18. Before, okay, now you're gonna see here, and you're gonna radiator coolant temperature sensor, maybe it doesn't have. This kind of cooling fan, really command it, off, second off, you see, AC, signal, yes, because that one can make command also. Now it's off. The high pressure side, look here, is minus. All 5 reference, okay. All information you can get it from here. Engine running time 1 minute. 5 for reference, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, they're all good. They are a little bit higher, 5.1, because maybe the car is running. Both cooling fan are off. Engine coolant thermostat 0.0. Thank you for watching, guys. Mahmoud, just put that cover for me.
Huh?
That's it. Reading now. 40, 50 and going up.
Yeah, but my problem is why?
No, it's okay.
Okay.
It's okay, yeah. Because this is based on pressure. Unless if this car have a, we're gonna leave it running. We're gonna take this one, leave it running, and then you have some screws here.
No, you have only one. I don't know. Somebody was working on this car.
I don't believe this car have bleeding, right? No.
No, yeah, I'm not bleeding.
Okay, so leave it running just. You have a new water pump. I'm gonna leave it running.
New thermostat.
You see when I have it here, 200 something, 250 degree hot. Huh? And the temperature was in over half. You started like this over half. It doesn't make sense. See now here, temperature 37, which is normal. And keep going. 40, 41. Because this car have 2 sensors, one on the radiator and one also on the engine. Some of them like high pressure side. Let me put the AC on. High pressure side. I put the AC on already. we have no AC. AC high pressure side is going up. AC voltage pressure sensor is 1 volt. The higher the voltage, the higher number is gonna go. AC off for wide throttle, no. AC disabled, no. Let me put gas if I do wide throttle. No, it never do anything. It doesn't change now. Engine speed, engine ignition 1, AC battery. Anyhow, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.